Have you ever had the idea of doing a three-strand braid but then leave it by thinking that, oh god, I don't know to do the three-strand braid, or by thinking that again you need to take someone's help, so you leave the idea of doing that? So if that is so, I would suggest you to watch my video till the end. And I'm going to do this video just because I have a sister on my home who is like sister, please do my three-strand braid, sister, please do braids for me. She's on that way always. So it's like sometimes I stay busy, I can't do that for her. So I thought that maybe someone might else might be in the same situation. So that's the reason why I'm going to do today's video, so that if anyone doesn't know the three-strand braid, can do it without any problem by after watching my video. Hello everyone, it's me Arpana Guha. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my three-strand braid step by step. I'm going to do it step by step so that if anyone doesn't know how to do three-strand braid, can do it by watching this video very easily. And before starting the video, let me tell you one thing, that you might hear the sound of wind and rain because it's raining in our side. So if you like, you can enjoy the sound of that and enjoy my video as well. If you don't like it, you can ignore the sound and enjoy my video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for my three-strand braid, what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to detangle my hair and comb it nicely. Now I'm going to show you from the back how I do my three-strand braid. So I'm going to divide the hair into three sections. So you can see I have divided my hair into three sections. This is the right section, and this is the left section, and this is the middle section. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the right section in the middle, towards the middle. I'm going to grab the right section between these two fingers. And then I'm going to bring the middle section to the right section with my whole right hand. Then you can see. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to push this down and drop this middle section, and I'm going to bring this left section to the middle. I'm going to grab the middle section in between this this gap, and then I'm going to bring this middle section to the left side of my hand, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to bring this right section in the middle. I'm going to grab it in between these two fingers. Then I'm going to bring the middle section on the right side, and then I'm going to drop this section. I'm going to drop the middle section. Then I'm going to bring this left section on the middle. I'll keep it over here in the between the finger, and I'm going to bring this middle section on my left hand side. So I'm going to repeat this section till I reach the middle part of my hair. As you can see, I have done half part of the braid. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take these three strands on in between. I'm going to grab this strand with hold my hand. I'm going to take this strand in over here in one part of in between one of my finger, and then this part in between the other finger. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring it in the front. So you can see I have grabbed it in this way. I have brought it in the front. So what I'm going to do is, this section I'm going to grab it with my right hand. Then I'm going to drop this middle section. I'm taking this middle section in between these two finger, and then I'm going to grab this this whole section with my left hand. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to take this right part to the middle, and you can see I'm grabbing it between these two fingers, and then I'm going to bring this middle section to my right hand side. Then I'm going to drop this section, and then I'm going to bring this left section on the middle. I'm going to grab it between these two fingers, and then I'm going to bring this middle section which was previously in the middle, I'm going to bring it on the left hand side. So I'll repeat this till the end. So I'm going to keep this much of hair, and I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. So you can see my 3-strand braid has been completed. So you have seen how I have done my 3-strand braid, and I'll show you from my back how it really looks. So it's not that hard at all to make a 3-strand braid. It's really very easy. So you can try it at home, and do let me know in the comment section how you did it and whether it was difficult for you or you did it very easily. So do let me know. And yes, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. So if you like my video, do like, comment and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button, as it will keep me motivated to do more videos like this. Thank you.